Some people praise and others criticize those who are born with curly or wavy hair. Curls can develop too big, stand out too much, or refuse to settle no matter what you do to them. Does it mean you need to become BFFs with your flat iron? Absolutely not. Because there are curly hairstyles that are both trendy and practical, meaning they complement your face and your lifestyle. Here are the top 45 curly hairstyles that are both trendy and easy to achieve. Number 1. Elegant updo for natural curly hair. Number 2. Medium curly combover hairstyle. Number 3. Pretty curly black bob with side bangs. Number 4. Long U cut for curly hair. Number 5. Medium length curly layered hairstyle. Number 6. Bob hairstyle for curly hair. Number 7. Mid-length curly hairstyle with curly bangs. Number 8. Gorgeous medium curly bouncy hairstyle. Number 9. Messy curly brunette shag. Number 10. Medium layered cut for loose curls. Number 11. Caramel brown natural layered hair with bangs. Number 12. Adorable bob with bangs. Number 13. Beautiful layered lioness. Number 14. Pretty wavy blonde balayage lob. Number 15. Long curly hairstyle for balayage hair. Number 16. Medium curly brunette shag with Babylights. Number 17. Layered curly style with medium size curls. Number 18. Long V cut for curly hair. Number 19. Inverted black bob for curly hair. Number 20. Medium U cut with defined curls. Number 21. Collarbone wavy hairstyle with bangs. Number 22. Medium layered curly hairstyle. Number 23. Medium highlighted style with loose curls. Number 24. Messy angelic look with big curls. Number 25. Above the shoulders thick curly shag. Number 26. Messy shoulder length hairstyle for curly hair. Number 27. Mid-length curly layered cut. Number 28. Black Flexi rods bob. Number 29. Pretty long curly hair with bangs. Number 30. Low curly bun with loose curls. Number 31. Messy lob with large messy curls. Number 32. Medium layered dishwater blonde curls. Number 33. Wavy Messy Bob. Number 34. Short stacked curly bob. Number 35. Shoulder length wavy hair. Number 36. Soft voluminous curls for mid-length hair. Number 37. Funky layered shag for long hair. Number 38. Voluminous curly hair with subtle highlights. Number 39. Chic and Sassy black curly lob. Number 40. Short curly bob. Number 41. Midnight brown curls with a middle part. Number 42. Chin-length curly bob haircut. Number 43. Dark auburn bob with messy S curls. Number 44. Medium loosely curled hairstyle with highlights. Number 45. Curly messy medium cut with bangs. What was your favorite style? Leave your comments below and let us know. Please subscribe and like this video. Thanks for watching.